Week 2 schedule. Why is it that when one man builds a wall, the next man immediately needs to know what's on the other side? George Martin, A Game of Thrones. Complete the following assignments this week. So this week we are going to start the book Curious, so read the introduction in chapters 1 and 2. Also, there will be a VoiceThread reading response of the chapters. So you will be posting your summaries and reflections of the chapters there. And last, there will be a second journal entry due. And that will be due by the end of the week on Sunday. To post your summaries of the intro in chapters 1 and 2, you'll want to click on the roster first to see which reading group you're in. And then within your reading group, you're going to post a summary and reflection. So you're going to summarize the chapters and then talk about what grabbed your attention and why. So you want to just leave a 5-minute response. And at the very end, you want to leave a critical thinking question. So then the next step will be to listen to 2 classmates' summary reflections. And so you're going to listen to theirs, and then you're going to answer their question. And then someone will eventually answer your question, then you'll need to reply. So basically you post, you respond, and then you reply. For this week's journal, you'll be doing an actual activity. So what you need to do is dedicate 30 minutes to do something that you've always wanted to try. Okay, so it could be something intellectual, physical, emotional, spiritual. It could be anything, something that you're curious about that you've always wanted to try. So it could be barefoot running, playing a game of Dungeons and Dragons. It could be trying a brand new language on Duolingo. It can be trying a new dish that you've always wanted to try. So be honest and try something absolutely new that you've always wanted to try. Afterwards, get into your journal and for 15 minutes, talk about your experiment and consider the following questions on the right-hand side. In class on Thursday, we're going to be watching this TED Talk by Sir Ken Robinson. And so in class, we will break up into groups and we will be reviewing these questions and discussing them and then come back as a class to share our responses. If you miss class, you can still receive credit for the work. So you get an absence, but you can still receive credit for the work by going onto VoiceThread. So you simply click on the link. You will be redirected to VoiceThread, and in here you'll see this link, Do Schools Kill Curiosity? Okay, so, and again, this is just the standard list, tips for success, so how to get an A in my class, so it's something nice to review every now and then. And then for the following week, you'll be reading chapters 3 and 4. And so we'll be following the same format, so you'll be posting onto VoiceThread first your summaries of the chapters and then a reflection about something that grabbed your attention and why, and then again responding and replying to your group members.